It's a trying time for healthcare workers trying to treat and slow the spread of the novel coronavirus. KRCG 13's Kyreon Lee today spoke with MU Healthcare about resources they provide to employees and about tips for everyone else. She's live in Columbia with what she learned.
Yes, MU Healthcare and School of Medicine Chief Wellness Officer Dr. Keithahn says he's never seen anything like the COVID-19 outbreak. He says it's worse than SARS-1, H1N1, and Ebola. Keithahn says he personally hasn't seen this level of concern, anxiety, and fear in healthcare workers since HIV in the 80s and 90s, which is why he says it's important for MU Healthcare to keep their employees healthy and highly functional to fight this pandemic. Keithahn says MU Healthcare is providing personal protective equipment for employees, as well as housing, mental health, and child care, and financial resources during this time. He says the housing is away from the hospital and can be used by employees if they are sick or don't want to go home around loved ones because they've been exposed or have to go into quarantine. Most importantly, Keithahn says everyone, whether a healthcare worker or not, should be maintaining their health during this time.
How you eat, how you sleep, how you exercise, how you cope with stress, what type of close relationships you have will affect the quality and quantity of your life. And this doesn't change when you're going through a mass viral infection like we're challenged with now.
Dr. Keithahn says burnout and stress is common among healthcare workers, which is why he says MU Healthcare will be changing around schedules to make sure those employees get enough rest. And most importantly, also, he says everyone needs to do their part to flatten this curve.
I think, just the general concept that we all need to take this very seriously, and that if you look at other parts of the country that are ahead of us in this, that could easily happen here. So the stay at home,
Keithahn says he realizes coping with being away from loved ones and friends during this time can be tough, but he says there are resources out there, and if you want to check those out, you can head over to our website, KRCGTV.com. Kermit.